Golden rules of weight loss. 1. Never skip your breakfast. 2. Take 8 glasses of water minimum per day. 3. Take these 3 vitamins. 4. Complete 10,000 steps daily. 5. Take minimum of 70 grams of proteins from meat sources. 6. Take 150 grams of green vegetables daily. 7. Take 150 grams of seasonal fruits daily. 8. Take 50 grams of healthy fats daily. Bonus rule: if you will follow a diet that is customized according to your body's caloric and macros needs, you will lose weight very fast without affecting your health and energy levels.